Wife loved this so much I got promoted from dishwasher to chief taster. 1. Toss eggs into tuna. Trust me, my bossy wife approved this. Starting off with 170-gram tuna and an egg, praying I don't mess up. A pinch of salt for flavor, half spoon of black pepper, chili flakes for extra kick, spoonful of crispy fried garlic. Another egg right in. Mix it real good until wifey gives the thumbs up. Now chop up an onion without crying like a baby. Got better tuna hacks? Drop them below. Sizzle some olive oil in the pan. Toss those freshly sliced onions in. Stir non-stop till they start getting all soft and glossy. Right after that, pour the tuna egg mix right over the onions. Spread it evenly so it cooks like a total champ. Keep stirring continuously. Blend those sweet onions straight into the patty. Honestly, this stuff is pure gold. Wifey took one bite and actually smiled at me. Where are you guys tuning in from? Let me know. Sending a huge virtual shout out your way. Big love to Liam Smith all the way in London today. Super stoked you guys are digging these crazy recipes. Try it at home and tell me if your spouse loved it too. Cover it up and let it simmer on low heat. Once it hits this stage, flip it using a plate trick so I don't drop it on the floor. Gets both sides golden brown and super crispy. My buddies keep begging me for this exact recipe because it slaps way harder than it should. Total game changer in our house now. Ever since my queen tried a piece, I'm stuck making this every single night. Fast, cheap, zero cooking skills needed. Simple pantry ingredients and total flavor bomb. Seriously, zero excuses not to make this for your queen. Hope you guys enjoyed this life-saving dinner hack. Thanks a million for hanging out with me. Appreciate you all. Catch you in the next one. Bye. 2. Got annoying dark spots on your face? Acne, sun damage, or stubborn skin blotches? Slice a ripe tomato, dip it in sugar, and scrub gently. Do this every morning for instant glowing skin. Dries out pimples fast and fades spots like absolute magic. 3. Did you know dumping condensed milk in caramel and whisking it like crazy until it gets super thick and silky, then scooping it into a bowl will make you ban store-bought Dulce de Leche forever? 4. Hitting 40 and feeling constantly bloated? Boil lemongrass, oregano, chamomile flowers, and cinnamon sticks. Let it bubble away for 7 minutes. Kill the heat, toss in dried hibiscus, and steep 5 minutes. Flattens your balloon stomach super fast. Knocks you out for deep sleep and relaxes sore muscles. Kills body aches and fixes your gut health. Save this video right now before you lose it forever. 5. Dump flour and Greek yogurt in. Throw in blueberries and sweet honey. Mix into dough, shape nice bagels. Bake at 375 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes and pray wife approves. Comment link if you need our ebook. 6. Stole this epic trick from an Italian chef. Now my boss lady demands pasta only this way. Grab 250 grams of pasta, toss it right in the pot. Add salt, pour water, and let it cook nicely. Peel a fresh lemon like a pro husband. Drop a comment if you ever cooked pasta like this. I really want to know. Chop that lemon peel super tiny and fine. Just follow my moves. Once I tried this Italian genius hack, my wife banned all other boring recipes. It is ridiculously easy and tastes pure magic. Slice the juicy lemon right in half. Squeeze it tight with a juicer. Get every single drop out. Simple basic ingredients from the fridge. And boom, 5-star dinner ready. Tastes way better than expensive fancy restaurants. In-laws will beg you for this secret recipe because it smells so dang good. Save some hot pasta water for later. My Italian buddy saved my marriage with this trick. It will blow your mind. Melt butter in a hot pan. Add olive oil, let it sizzle. Toss in minced garlic, keep stirring continuously. Add minced lemon peels and mix it up. Pour in the fresh lemon juice. Add rich heavy cream. Wife will treat you like a king after this. Season with salt, black pepper. Pour pasta water, keep stirring gently. Smells like a dream. Dump the cooked pasta right into the sauce. More garlic for extra flavor, mix everything well. Super fast, dummy-proof, foolproof dish. Even a clumsy husband like me can do it. Top secret recipe chefs do not want you to know. My family begs for this daily. Zero leftovers every single time I make it. You cannot stop eating this, trust me. Passed down through generations of legends. Kids devour it in 2 seconds flat. Look at this creamy perfection. Hope you guys loved it. 7. Skip hospital visits with this natural tea. 1 cup daily flushes liver toxins in 4 days. Boil water with green apple, ginger, cinnamon, lemon, and rosemary for 15 minutes. Detoxifies and filters out bad toxins fast. Sweeten with honey, drink once daily, wife approved. 8. Did you know adding meat to potatoes makes the boss happy? 1 garlic clove, chopped tomatoes, chopped onion, green bell pepper. Mix with 500 milliliters of water. Black pepper, paprika to taste, salt to taste. 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Pour over meat, cover with foil, bake 40 minutes. You'll get delicious meat with potatoes. 9. Add 1 cup oats, 2 ripe bananas, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons honey, 1 teaspoon baking powder. Blend until smooth, bake at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Enjoy this soft oat banana cake my wife totally approved. 10. Blend 1 tomato, 2 garlic cloves, a pinch of turmeric, and 1 glass of water. This miracle blend flushes out kidney stones, cleanses kidneys for folks over 40 or 60, boosts skin glow and digestion. Smooths gut flow and boosts circulation. Save this magic recipe right now. 11. Slice up 200 grams of pepperoni into tiny bite-sized discs. Trust me, keeping these cuts nice and small is the real secret to releasing all that smoky flavor into the pan. I'm breaking down every single step today so you can easily whip this up at home and impress everyone. Quick reminder before I forget, drop a comment with your city so I can send you a proper shout out in the next one. Shout out to Emily Cooper from Madison, Wisconsin. Thanks for rocking with our recipes, you're absolute legend. I made a huge batch of this yesterday for my squad, and they devoured it so fast they forced me to drop the recipe right now. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a pan with a splash of olive oil over medium heat. Toss in all that sliced pepperoni and let it fry until it gets sizzly, golden brown, and super crisp. This recipe is a total game changer for anyone who loves low-effort snacks with massive flavor gains. Drop a comment below if you have a secret popcorn combo, because I'm always looking for ways to stay on my wife's good side. Now pour in 1 cup of popcorn kernels right over that greasy, savory pepperoni goodness. Give everything a solid mix so every single kernel gets coated in that liquid gold pepperoni oil. Pop the lid on, let it cook on medium for 5 minutes, and watch the magical popcorn explosion happen right before your eyes. Look at that ultimate movie night snack. Totally wife-approved and guaranteed to make you the MVP of the living room. Scoop it into little ramekins for individual portion control, or just grab the giant bowl and hoard it all for yourself. I make this every single weekend. And honestly, there are never any leftovers because my family clears the bowl in seconds. Save this recipe right now, hit that subscribe button, and let me know if your family loved it as much as mine.